Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Ticketmaster ticket to your Apple Wallet. It will be really simple and easy. To begin, log into your Ticketmaster account using the app and select the event for which you have tickets. Once you open the latest version of the Ticketmaster app, tap on My Events in the bottom menu. You will find a list of all of your tickets there. Choose the ticket you want to add to your Apple Wallet. After clicking on the event, your ticket will appear. Scroll down to locate the Scroll down to locate the Add to Apple Wallet button. Simply click this button and you will instantly be taken to your Apple Wallet. You can then review the ticket details. In the top right corner of the screen, you will find the option to add the ticket to your wallet. Upon clicking Add, the ticket will be added to your Apple Wallet right away. It will be available for redemption and can be used as needed. To remove the ticket, access the wallet manager, select the ticket and choose to remove it. You can repeat this process multiple times. By doing so, you will be access the event using the Apple Wallet app, eliminating the needs to open the Ticketmaster app. This works as long as your wallet's information is up to date and properly registered. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add Ticketmaster ticket to your Apple Wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.